Okay, I'm gonna take this trade right here. My entry is a little bit bad, but as you guys could see, right, this is a decision point. And if I go inside on the lower time frame, I'm sure I'm going to find some supply area inside of it. Let's see. Okay. So guys, there wasn't a actual supply on this side, but if you take a look right here, you could see that this was a supply A, B, C, and Gulf. This is a supply right there, right? So that in fact worked. It was a hidden 11 supply right there. It works, and that's what matters. It's all about understanding the market, guys. There is sometimes where you use instincts and it performs way better. Come on now. So I'm gonna set a alarm right here for when the price reach back there. I will come back. Okay, guys. So if we close on this supply right here, oh my God, my entry. So we're closing on this supply. As you see, it's an engulf broken. So we're expecting the price to go higher. This supply didn't broken properly, but as you see, we have a higher high candle right here. And in the lower time frame, oh, oh God, man, I was trying to get the better entry right down here. As you could see in the lower time frame, hold on, guys. Yeah, as you could see in the lower time frame, let me see if I could save that trade. I have so much trade open on one, guys. This is so risky. Um, this is so risky, guys. Oh my God, if I lose this, I will definitely take a break. Definitely. Beautiful. I'm going to explain this trade to you guys. Okay. All right. So basically, guys, this is a supply right here. Okay. We have a engulf. But what I'm saying is, it's best for when your supply is broken with the body of the candle, not the wick. But in my instance, I know what I'm doing. I've been trading these patterns for the last 8 years. So I know what I'm doing. Okay. So basically, guys, what I'm saying is it's best when the candle break it with the body, it's much stronger, not the wick. But the supply was broken regardless. And we have a engulf. Then we took this trade, but we had a gap down also in the favors of buyers. But what happened here was that I took the trade part, right? And I was trying to save it. Then the broker jumped with my price. I don't know why they start to do stuff like that to me recently. Like I'm trying to enter in here and they give me an entry up here instead. But it's okay, it's fine. It's just trying to mess with me. It's not gonna work. And then I tried to save the trade multiple times, as you could see, and it was a win, guys. But if it was losing trade, I would be very salty. Okay, guys, so this is our final trade. I'm searching for a nice trade right here. As you could see, guys, the price came and closed right on this previous seller's entry, but I'm not going to take that trade. Um, okay, guys, this is a red green pattern, all right? So I'm going to take it as soon as the price close. Let me see if I could combine some other reasons. Okay, I'm going to take one right here. But if the price comes up here, I'm going to take margin of safety trade. okay, to save this trade. But sometimes it's so ironic for the price to come all the way up there. So that's the reason why I'm trying to enter right here. So guys, the platform registration link is down in the description below. You guys could create a free account and get 50% bonus on your deposit. Plus, you guys could get a 50K demo account to trade with and pocket option. Okay, guys, and practice this strategy. So I'm going to take this trade here, guys, to save this trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is what I was talking about, guys. I know this trade right here was risky. So I was waiting for the price to came to the rejection point and I would took that trade, right? But no, guys, I'm finished for the day and I just want to speak to you guys about something very crucial. In the financial markets, guys, it's very crucial to have good understanding of the markets. And basically, in my Telegram channel, I will teach you guys how to be profitable, right? By giving you a strategy and a money management. And all you have to do is just practice with it and get a demo account so that you guys could rehearse the strategies and the money management and create your own game plan and your own schedule or you're going to approach the market. And then, and only then, you will start to see profitability. Only when you click the link in the description, join my Telegram, and get the strategy, the money management, which is also crucial, and then practice, practice until you become perfect. Okay, guys. So thank you for tuning into this video, guys. This will be it for my session. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I hope you learned something new. For now, I'm going to clock out. So peace out.